A flat to rent.
Here's a flat in Queen's Road.
Is it nice?
There's a big living room. And there are 2 bedrooms.
Great. What about the kitchen?
There's a new kitchen.
Wow. How many bathrooms are there?
There's just 1 bathroom.
Is there a garden?
No, there isn't a garden.
It doesn't matter. It sounds great. Is there a shower?
Yes, there is.
Is there a fridge?
Yes, there is.
Is there a dining room?
No, there isn't.
How many bedrooms are there?
2.
How many bathrooms are there?
1.
How many armchairs are there?
2.
Are there any pictures?
No, there aren't.
Are there any bookshelves?
Yes, there are.
Are there any carpets?
No, there aren't.
This, that, these, those. 1.
How much is this lamp, please?
It's £45.
2.
I like that picture.
Yes, it's lovely.
3.
How much are these glasses?
They're £15.
4.
I love those towels.
They're fabulous.
5.
Look at those flowers.
They're beautiful.
6.
Do you like this kettle?
Yeah, it's a great colour.
7.
How much are these mugs?
£5 each.
8.
Look at that coat.
You don't need any more clothes.
1.
Do you know Alice has a new boyfriend?
Really? Is he okay?
He's lovely.
Oh, what's his name?
James.
Good for Alice.
2.
Ben has a new flat
Wow, where is it?
in the centre of town.
Is it nice?
Oh, yes, it's fantastic. The living room is fabulous.
3.
What a horrible day.
Yes, it is. Rain, rain, rain. It's terrible weather at the moment.
Oh well, tomorrow's another day.
4.
This is an excellent meal.
Thank you. I'm pleased you like it.
And the wine is wonderful. Where is it from?
I think it's French. Yes, it is. French.
5.
I love your shoes. They're great.
They're nice, aren't they? They're Italian.
The colour's amazing. Red. Wow.
6.
We have a new teacher. Her name's Nancy.
Is she nice?
No, she's awful. I hate her.
Why?
I don't understand her. She talks and talks and talks all the time.
1.
Look at Angela's car. It's a Mercedes.
Wow, they're really expensive. Is it fast?
Very fast.
2.
Does Tom have a lot of money?
Well, he has a really beautiful house with a very big garden and a swimming pool.
He's very rich, isn't he?
3.
Do you like my new jeans?
Yeah, they're really nice. What make are they?
They're Prada.
How much were they?
They weren't expensive. Well, not very expensive.
4.
Look, that's Peter's new girlfriend.
She's pretty. How old is she?
28.
Wow, that's old.
28? That isn't very old.
5.
Maria's very clever, isn't she?
Oh, yes. She's really intelligent. She knows everything.
Do you like her?
No, not really. She isn't very nice to talk to.
No, I don't like her either.
He can speak every language in the world.
Really?
I don't believe that. Well, he can. Can you speak any languages?
Yes, I can. I can speak French and Spanish a little bit. We learn them at school.
Well, I can speak French too.
Oh, yeah?
I can say bonjour and merci.
That's nothing. You can't speak French at all.
Well, I can skateboard. You can't.
I don't want to skateboard. I like other things. What about skiing? Can you ski?
Yeah, I can ski a bit, but my mum and dad can ski brilliantly.
I love skiing. I can ski really well.
OK. We can do some things, but Superman can do everything. There's nothing Superman can't do.
Oh, you and Superman. Remember, he's not real. He's only a...
Noun plus noun. 1,
Excuse me, is there a post office near here?
Yes. Can you see the bus stop over there?
Yes, I can.
Well, it's next to the bus stop, near the traffic lights.
Thanks.
2,
I can't find my sunglasses.
Not again. Look in your handbag.
Where's my handbag?
It's in the living room.
Oh, yes, there it is. And there they are.
3,
Excuse me, is there a petrol station near here?
A petrol station? Yeah. Go past the railway station and the car park. It's just before the motorway.
That's very kind. Thank you.
verb plus noun. 1,
You send a lot of text messages.
I know. My mobile phone is my best friend.
2,
Do you earn a lot of money?
What a question. Mind your own business.
3,
Do you live on the 3rd floor?
Yes, I have a great view. I can see right over the town.
4,
Do you wear a suit and tie when you go to work?
No. Where I work is very casual. I wear jeans and a t-shirt.
5,
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. And the piano. And the violin.
6,
Can you ride a motorbike?
I can. Do you want to come for a ride? You can sit on the back.
7,
Can you drive a car?
Of course not. I'm only 16.
8,
You have a full-time job. Who looks after your children?
They go to play school.
9,
Do you watch TV a lot?
No, not really. Just in the morning, and in the evening, and sometimes in the afternoon.
10,
I can't speak any foreign languages.
I can. German and Spanish.
Prepositions. 1,
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, of course. I have it all on my iPod.
2,
What sort of music do you like?
All sorts, but especially jazz.
3,
Where's your girlfriend from? Is she Mexican?
No, she isn't. She's from Brazil. She speaks Portuguese.
4,
Is Paula married to Mike?
That's right. Do you know her?
5,
Do you want to come shopping with me?
Oh, yes. Can you wait a minute? I'll get my coat.
6,
Were there any good programmes on television last night?
I don't know. I was on the internet all evening.
7,
What do you want for your birthday?
Can I have an iPhone? Or is that too expensive?
8,
Can I speak to Dave? Is he at work today?
Sorry, he's on holiday all this week. He's back next week.
1,
Can I have a cheese sandwich, please?
In white or brown bread?
2,
Could you post this letter for me, please?
Yes, of course. No problem.
3,
Can you give me your email address?
I think you have it already.
4,
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Can it wait? I'm a bit busy.
5,
Could you lend me £20 till tomorrow?
I can lend you 10, but not 20.
6,
Can you give me a hand with this box?
Of course. Do you want it upstairs?
1,
Where did her father work?
In a coal mine.
2,
What did her mother do?
She cleaned houses.
3,
Who did Oprah live with?
Her grandmother.
4,
What did she study?
Drama.
5,
When did she interview Michael Jackson?
In 1993.
6,
How much did she earn last year?
$260 million.
7,
When did she open the girls' school?
In 2007.
8,
Did her parents earn much money?
No, they didn't.
Interview with Ben Way.
Hi, Ben. Nice to meet you. Can you tell us a bit about your life?
Well, I was born on September the 28th, 1980, in Devon, in the southwest of England.
And what did your parents do?
My dad was an accountant and my mum was an artist.
Did you go to school in Devon?
Yes, I did. I went to a small village school.
Did you enjoy school?
No, I didn't enjoy it at all. I had problems because I was dyslexic and couldn't read and write.
Ah, that's difficult.
Yes, but when I was 9, my dad gave me a computer and it changed my life. I loved it. I took it everywhere with me. I helped my friends and my parents' friends with their computers.
Very good. And then?
Then I wrote my first software program when I was just 11. And when I was 15, I began my own computer company.
Oh, that's fantastic. Was it successful?
Yes, very successful. So successful that I left school at 16 and...
Yes, I know. You were a millionaire at 17.
Yes, I made my first million at 17. And at 19, I had 18.5 million.
And at 20, you won Young Entrepreneur of the Year.
Yes, I did. I often went on TV and radio and talked about it. It was amazing.
And then 1 year later...
Yes, and then just a year later, when I was 21, I lost everything. Disaster. .com businesses everywhere went down.
Yeah, but now you're up again. Another company, another million.
I know. I work hard, but I'm also very lucky.
The businessman and the fisherman.
Good morning. What beautiful tuna. How long did it take to catch them?
Oh, about 2 hours.
Only 2 hours. Amazing. Why didn't you fish for longer and catch more?
I didn't want to fish for longer. With this, I have enough fish for my family.
But what do you do with the rest of your day? Aren't you bored?
I'm never bored. I get up late, play with my children, watch football, and take a siesta with my wife. Sometimes in the evenings, I walk to the village to see my friends, play the guitar, and sing some songs.
Really? That's all you do? Look, I am a very successful businessman. I went to Harvard University and I studied business. I can help you. Fish for 4 hours every day and sell the extra fish you catch.
But...
Then you can buy a bigger boat catch more and earn more money.
But
then buy a second boat, a third, and so on until you have a big fleet of fishing boats. And you can export the fish and leave this village and move to Mexico City or LA or New York and open a fishing business.
Okay. But how long will all this take?
Let me think. Probably about 15 to 20 years.
15 to 20 years? And then what, senor?
Why, that's the exciting part. You can sell your business and become very rich. A millionaire.
A millionaire? Really? But what do I do with all the money?
Well, let me think. I know. You can stop work and move to a lovely old fishing village where you can sleep late, play with your grandchildren, watch football, take a siesta with your wife, and walk to the village in the evenings where you can play the guitar and sing with your friends all you want.
Well...
Papa, did you catch many fish?
I caught enough for us today and tomorrow, and also some for this gentleman. Please, senor, have some of my beautiful fish. Goodbye, senor. Come on, children. Let's go home.
1.
Did you enjoy the film?
No, I didn't. It was boring.
Oh, I loved it. It was really interesting and very funny.
I didn't laugh once.
2.
How was your exam?
Awful. I'm very worried.
But you worked really hard.
I know. I studied until 2 in the morning, but then I was so tired today I couldn't read the questions.
Don't worry. I'm sure you'll be okay.
3.
That was a great match. Really exciting.
Only because your team won. I was bored.
But it wasn't boring at all. It was a fantastic game.
Well, I didn't enjoy it. And now I'm annoyed because I paid £45 for my ticket.
4.
When's Nina's birthday?
You mean when was her birthday? It was last Friday, March the 24th.
Oh no! Was she annoyed that I forgot?
No, she was just worried that you didn't like her anymore.